they do.
Alright, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're hosting our OUROCEANSFUTURE is Our Future's Clean Up Australia Day event. So we're just down the river now, just where everyone turns up, just setting up and going for a quick dive to suss out the viz and all that. So we're going to get back down there and check it out, but we'll keep you updated as the day goes on. So let's get into it. Davo's for supplying them. So yeah, basically just go out there, collect as much as you can, and get back here at the swing. Here we are, here, the Red Menace.
Easy come, easy go, let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go. You know my loving is no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. It's no sweat, it's no sweat. Easy go, no stress, I'm good without it. Easy come, easy go, let's keep it fun and simple. Easy come, easy go.
Here's the boys with the giveaways.
Do top 3 individuals get a prize bag each, and then the other 7 go to the group.
Yeah, he does. He's like, yeah, I do.
Come help yourself. There's boys, a bunch of bar baits and heaps of stickers, so grab what you want. No, mate.